Do you need to get into your Jeep Renegade's fuel cap and the lock has broken? Then check out this video for the manual way to open it. Hi there guys, welcome to another Ross Perry Productions video and welcome to another video on my 2015 Jeep Renegade. Now the fuel filler cap is actually opened by an electronic solenoid, which is great when it's working. However, if it's broken or you've got a flat battery, there is actually a way that you can get into there. And I've built in a bit of a fail-safe which is found in the boot. So I'm just going to go ahead and show you, and I thought it was a really neat way they've done it on this car. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to lock it to show you that that filler cap won't open, so it won't open at all. And what we're going to do is go into the boot and we're going to look at this hook just here. So what you do is you turn that hook towards you, and when you pull it out you'll see there's a string. What we're going to do is pull that string, and then when we come back to our fuel cap, it's actually open now. So there you go, neat little trick. I thought that was a really good way of doing it. And then obviously once you're finished with it, we can just put that all the way back in, just threading that string in just in case we need to use it again, and locking it back in. So there we go, really neat little trick for you. If you found that video helpful, please do give me the thumbs up, leave me a comment down below, check out some of my other videos and subscribe to my channel.